Are you looking for a new way to find local contractors to bid on your business? Hey everybody, it's Derek again from RealFlow, and today we are back with Joanna Anderson of Remnant Real Estate Solutions. And we've been talking a lot about paid strategies, but Facebook is so much more than just paying money for ads. So today we want to ask Joanna to expand a little bit on the conversation we had last week about using Facebook groups to build your network and find resources. So Joanna, can you tell us a little bit about how you find and identify good groups and what's come of that, whether it's contractors or other investors?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are two groups or two categories of groups that I really use. I use the buy, sell, trade groups when I'm looking for sellers that are looking to sell their house. I'm looking for contractors to add to my team, maybe some realtors to add to my team. And so I will post in those groups, licensed contractors want it, or I'll be more specific, painters want it, or electricians want it. And they will respond directly to me or to one of my squeeze pages. Then I also use real estate investment groups, groups of other investors that are in those areas, and I will post in there to build my buyers list. I'll also post some of my wholesale deals in there.
That's awesome. And one thing that Joanna mentioned in there that you may not be familiar with is the term squeeze pages. And a squeeze page is simply a landing page that speaks very one-to-one with what you're trying to accomplish. So if you're looking for a painter, we're going to have a squeeze page that talks specifically about painting and the requirements of that specific job. So if you want to learn this and so much more about how Facebook can help build your real estate investing business, go ahead and click the link below in the description to learn more about our Facebook Marketing Masterclass. We'll see you next week.